Hey collectors, here is a look at the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Anthrax and Scumbag. And I would like to thank Octotoys for this. Link in the description below. Check them out. At the back of the box, you can see a small bio for Anthrax and Scumbag, their pictures, and the other characters for this wave, all made by NECA. Once you open the box, it contains a backdrop of the Technodrome for your toy photography and the plastic tray, which is only one this time, contains everything in the package. Both of the figures, plus all of these weapons that Anthrax and Scumbag will use with extra bugs on the side. Before you can remove the figures from the plastic tray, you have to cut out those transparent plastic straps that secures the figures on this plastic tray. And I suggest that you do it at the back so that you would not damage the figures or their paint applications. And here is Anthrax and Scumbag out of the plastic tray. For Anthrax, he stands below 7 inches tall, and for Scumbag, he stands below 5.5 inches tall. And before you go posing both of these figures, be sure to heat up the joints to avoid breaking them. And this is the backside of both figures. They have a lot of details, so kudos to NECA for their effort. For Anthrax, you can put him in some simple action pose, but I don't suggest you leaving it on your display without any support, because a little nudge on your display case and this figure will surely fall down. For Scumbag, he would often fall down because of how heavy his backpack is. So I don't suggest you putting him in some simple action poses like this one, because he would definitely fall down. And be careful with those tubes around him. Those things might pop off if you extremely pose this figure. And the fun part is that his jaw can open and close. You have to give credits to the sculptors of NECA, plus their paint application when they produce both of these figures. I consider them one of the best 2-pack that NECA has done for the TMNT line, and they will be very good addition for your TMNT Villains collection. The only downside for both of these figures is that once the joints have loosened up, they often tumble down. So be careful when you are posing them. And for size comparison, here they are with Snake Eyes from G.I. Joe Classified and the Andrew Garfield Amazing Spider-Man from No Way Home Wave, both figures by Hasbro. With Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story and Voltes 5, both figures from Bandai Model Kit. With Duke and Cobra Commander from the G.I. Joe line Ultimates by Super 7. And to wrap things up, here they are with Leatherhead, Donatello in Turtles in Disguise box set, and Wingnut. All of these figures from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles line by NECA. And with that, thank you all for watching, and see you all again next video.